Hi dears, today we are going to discuss a new topic, degrees of comparison in 8th standard English textbook. But before going into the topic, just look what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes the quality or state of being of a noun. Now look at the examples. She is small. Here, the word small is an adjective that indicates the girl is very small. And the second example, water is very cold, which means it qualifies the water that it is very cold. Have you ever sipped a hot tea? Yes, it will be very hot. Let's compare the hot tea with the fire. Which one is more hotter? It is the fire. The fire is hotter than the tea. What about the sun? Yes, we know the sun is the hottest among all three of them. In these sentences, we use the words like hot, hotter, and hottest. These adjectives represent different degrees of comparison. The degree of comparison is a grammatical device that compares nouns. So here the adjectives large, larger, largest, or hot, hotter, hottest are the examples, and it is divided into three: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So we can discuss each one of these. The first one is positive degree. Here there will be no comparison. For example, Ram is tall. Here, tall is an adjective that describes the noun. In the second one, the comparative degree, we use this degree to compare two nouns with same quality. For example, if we compare the height of Ram with Rahul, then the sentence became Rahul is taller than Ram. And the third level of degree is superlative degree. If a third person came there named as Afzal, we compare their height with each other. And the sentence became Afzal is the tallest among three of them. Now let's learn how to convert the positive degree into comparative and superlative degrees. So, adjectives are divided on the basis of the number of sounds or syllables in it, and it is divided into short adjectives, long adjectives, and irregular adjectives. There are separate rules for all of these. What do you mean by short adjective? An adjective with one syllable or sound is called short adjective. Example, small. In order to change the small into a comparative degree, we add the suffix er at the end of the word and est at the end of the word to transform it into superlative degree. And it became small, smaller, and smallest. But there are few exceptions. Positive degree ends in the letter E. We add the suffix r at the end to create comparative degree and st for superlative degree. Example, large, larger, largest. And finally, if a word ends in the letter Y, we change the Y into I and add er at the end of the word to make it comparative, and add est to make it superlative. The example is funny, funnier, and funniest. Now let's look into long adjectives. More than two syllables are known as long adjectives. Example, beautiful. For comparative degree, we only add more, and for superlative degree, we add most. And the word beautiful became more beautiful and most beautiful. Now the third type of adjectives is irregular adjective. It do not follow any particular rules. So we need to remember those conversions. Good, better, best. Here, good is the positive degree, better is the comparative, and best is the superlative degree. So in this video we learn about different degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. That's all in this video. Here you have an activity. You have to fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives by converting into its degrees. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Thank you, dears.